Hello students, this is Vinay sir, your mathematics teacher. Once again, I welcome you all to the online class organized by Alchemy School. In previous class, we all have discussed how we can multiply two fractions. Today we all are going to discuss how we can divide two fractions. So before we discuss anything about the division of fractions, first of all, we have to understand what is reciprocal of fraction. So let's try to understand what is reciprocal of fraction. So students, when numerator and denominator of a fraction interchange their places, we get the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, we can try to understand the same thing by one example. So I have taken here 2 upon 3 and we have to find reciprocal of 2 upon 3. Okay, so in 2 upon 3 we all know this 2 represent the place of numerator and this 3 represent the place of denominator. Okay, to find the reciprocal of 2 upon 3, numerator will take the place of denominator and denominator will take the place of numerator. So when the numerator and denominator will interchange their places, we get the reciprocal of 2 upon 3. So we can write here reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 upon 2. Okay, so now we all have understood what is reciprocal. Suppose that if we have a mixed fraction, 2 1 upon 3 and it is asking to find reciprocal of this fraction. So how we can find the reciprocal of this fraction? So first we will convert this fraction into improper form. So we can write 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 upon 3. Now we can write reciprocal of 7 upon 3 is 3 upon 7. Okay students, so we all have seen here what is the reciprocal of a fraction. It is very important to understand what is reciprocal and how we can find it. Okay, because while we are going to divide two fractions, that time we have to use this reciprocal. Now we all are going to learn how we can divide two fractions. First we will learn how we can divide a fraction by whole number. Then how we can divide a whole number by a fraction. We will learn how a fraction can be divided by a fraction, and then after we will learn how we can divide two mixed fraction. We will try to understand these things by taking some example. So let's see the first example that I have taken here, that is 3 upon 2 is divided by 5. So here we can see this fraction is divided by a whole number, that is 5. Okay, so let's see how we can divide 3 by 2 by 5. Okay, so we can write it 3 upon 2 is divided by 5 upon 1. Okay, whole number can be written in the form of fraction. So now it is very important to understand the second step. In second step, the first fraction will be written as it is. So we will write here 3 upon 2. Division sign will be replaced by multiplication and we have to write reciprocal of 5 upon 1. Okay, so the reciprocal of 5 upon 1 will be 1 upon 5. Okay, we have to write here reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. So we have to find the reciprocal of 5 and it will be 1 upon 5. So now we have two fractions in the form of multiplication. Simply we can multiply them. So numerators will be multiplied and denominators will be multiplied. We get the result here, 3 1s are 3 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so we can see here 3 upon 10 is in simplest form. So this will be the answer of this question. Okay, so when we divide 3 upon 2 by 5, we get the result 3 upon 10. Let's see the The second question we have 8 divided by 7 upon 4. Now this time the whole number is divided by a fraction. We have to write this whole number in the form of fraction. So we will write it 8 upon 1. This sign of division will be replaced by multiplication, and we have to find reciprocal of 7 upon 4. So it will be 4 upon 7. We can write reciprocal of 7 upon 4 is 4 upon 7. Okay. Now we have the fractions in multiplication. We can simply multiply them. 8 into 4, 1 into 7. When we multiply 8 4s are 32 and 1 7s are 7. This is improper fraction, so we can convert it into mixed fraction. 7 4s are 28, 28 and 4 32 and 4 upon 7. So this is the mixed form of 32 upon 7. So when we divide 8 by 7 upon 4, we get the result 4 and 4 upon 7. Okay. Let's see the next number. Okay. The next number is 8 upon 7 is divided by 3 upon 4. Simply the same procedure we have to apply here also. We have 8 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 4. We will write 8 upon 7 as it is. Division will be changed by multiplication, and we write 4 upon 3. This is the reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. Okay. Now simply we have to multiply 8 into 4 and 7 into 3. 8 4s are 32 and 7 3s are 21. This is also improper fraction, so we can convert it into mixed form. 21 1s are 21, 21 and 11 32. So 11 will be remainder and divisor, the denominator will be 21. Okay. So this is the answer of this. When we divide 8 upon 7 by 3 upon 4, we get the result 1 and 11 upon 21. That's it. So now we all are going to discuss how we can divide two mixed fraction. So I have taken one more example here. This example is 3 and 1 upon 4 is divided by 2 and 1 upon 3. Okay. So first of all we have to convert these fraction into improper fraction. So we can write it 4 3s are 12 1. 13 upon 4 is divided by 3 2s are 6 1. 7 upon 3. So now it has become easy to divide these two fractions. So now we can divide. 13 upon 4 will be written as it is. Sign of division will be replaced by multiplication, and we have to write the reciprocal of 7 upon 3, and that is 3 upon 7. We can write here reciprocal of 7 upon 3 is 3 upon 7. Okay. Now simply we can multiply them. 13 into 3 and 4 into 7. 13 3s are 39 and 4 7s are 28. Simply we can write 28 1s are 28, 28 and 11 39. So we can write 11 upon 28. That is the mixed form of 39 upon 28. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So students, I have taken some more example here. So let's see how we can solve these examples. Okay. Let's see the next one, that is question number 5. Okay. I have taken here in this question 9 is divided by 2 and 1 upon 4. So already we have discussed about this type of question. So we can write 9 upon 1 is divided by 4 2s are 8, 8 and 1 9 upon 4. Okay. And in the second step we have to write the first fraction as it is. So we will write here 9 upon 1. This division sign will be replaced by multiplication, and we have to write the reciprocal of second fraction, that is 9 upon 4. So the reciprocal of 9 upon 4 will be 4 upon 9. So we will write here 4 upon 9. We can write reciprocal of 9 upon 4 is 4 upon 9. Okay. So simply we can multiply the numerators. 9 into 4. We can multiply denominators. Okay. So when we multiply 9 and 4, we get here 36. When we multiply 1 and 9, we get here 9. Okay. So we have to find the simplest form of 36 upon 9. So we can see 36 and 9, both numbers are divisible by 9. So we divide it by 9. We divide it by 9. So we get the result. 9 4s are 36, 4 and 9 1s are 9. So 1. So it will be. So 4 upon 1 will be answer of this question. Okay. Let's see the next question. In the next question, we have 7 and 3 upon 4 is divided by 2 and 1 upon 3. So simply we can convert them into improper form. So 4 7s are 28. 28 and 3 31. 31 upon 4 is divided by 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 upon 3. So now 31 upon 4 will be written as it is. This division sign will be replaced by multiplication, and we have to find the reciprocal of 7 upon 3, and it will be 3 upon 7. So when we multiply 31 and 3, we get the result. So when we multiply 31 and 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. When we multiply 7 and 4, we get the result here. 7 4s are 28. We can convert this into mixed form. So we have to divide 93 by 28. We will get 3 and 9 upon 28 as a result. Okay. So students, when we divide 7 and 3 upon 4 by a number 2 and 1 upon 3, we get the result here 3 and 9 upon 28. Okay. So students, you all can practice for these questions, and you have to complete the exercise 3.4 by yourself. This exercise is mostly based on the division of fractions. So you all are able to solve this exercise by yourself. Okay. So students, keep practicing, keep learning, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you. Thank you so much.